Right, gonna go for a look at Mangaone caves near Nuhuka, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Liam's coming too, but I'll actually show you how to get there and where the caves are. So follow along, let's go. Okay, we've just come from Gisborne, so it's about half an hour heading towards Nuhuka. Nuhuka's about 5 minutes up the road, and we're just going to turn up this road here. It's called Mangaone Road, and the caves are up this gravel road about, what is that, 6.3 kilometres up this road we're going to drive. So it'll turn into gravel, and then we'll get up to dock sign, which I'll show you soon. Rightio, so we're not the only ones here today. Up Mangaone Road, we've come to this corner spot, and you've got to look for this dock sign right here. So that's the start of the walking track, which will go up to the top of that hill there. So yeah, there is a bit of a hike involved, but once you're on the top platform, it's basically you're just going to go across, and I'll show you where to go. But yeah, probably I'm in Crocs today, which I don't know if that's great, but you probably want some old shoes or gumboots or something, because it can be quite mucky in there. And definitely take a torch. The phone light might work, but take a torch, gumboots, shoes, and then you should be pretty right. And just remember, watch your head as well. So yep, let's get to it. It's bloody hotty already. Rightio, here's the information. So yeah, 25-minute walk. Depends on your skill level, I suppose. No dogs, firearms permitted. It is, you know, a private property, I suppose, in a way. And safety, the torch, like I already said, and footwear and hard hat. I guess, you know, if you're a bit, you know, clumsy, take one. And here we go. This is where we start, and we're going to follow the yellow all the way up to the cave entrance. So let's get to it. I'll see at the top. I'll probably sweat on my head. Right, there's the yellow markers that we've got to follow there, and then we'll get up there. Right, so once you come up the top, there's a little step over gate thing, and you just want to head up to the right, and then you'll see the yellow markers. And same where Liam is, he's with the yellow marker, and you just follow that back down the hill, and that'll head towards where the caves are. And also, you are walking across a private, you know, farmland, so do stick to the yellow markers that are in front of you. Don't go venturing off and having a look around elsewhere, because they'll just shut places like this down when people just go and do that sort of stuff. So for this one, dock one, private land, just follow the markers and then head to the caves, and then you'll walk down these steps where the caves are, and then you've got to climb up a ladder, and there's 2 caves to go into next to each other, and then yeah, go in and enjoy. Alrighty, here's the gateway in. Liam's just gone through. Then we go down these steps, and you'll come to a sign, I think, if it's still here. Yes, there we go. So this is the entrance to the caves. Basically from now, you want to flip the shades up. If you want to read the sign, but I've been here before, so read the sign maybe. And then we're going to go down here, and then, so we're going to have to pull the torches out soon. But yeah, off we go. And look, put a nice little railing up for you. Right, here we go. So this is the spot here where your shoes are going to get stuffed up. It's really, really mucky. Right, pulled out the big bazooka. Right, now that is the ladder, and then down further there is another one. And that is just a dirty path, and then we go in. Got all this stuff up here. I think I've walked up there before. And there's usually a lot of weather on the roof. We might be lucky today, actually. I've spoken too soon. No, we're right so far. Okay, that's the entry to the first cave. You've got to climb up, and there is a bit of a sort of a jump bit here to get in. Just be wary. They've put a chain up there so you can grab, if you can see it. And then this one down here, a pretty cool spot. Really nice and cool in here on this hot day. So this one here, ladder number 2. Bit easier to get in, I think, this one. And I can't remember which one's the longer one. But I guess we'll find that out in a second. Yeah, pretty cool to have a decent light. Usually I'm just on the phone or whatever, so it's good to have one where you can, you know, light people up or light things up. So we'll go to the first one and then we'll come back to this one. All sort of creepy crawlies. I don't know if you're going to see that one. Got a long-legged bugger. I don't know where it's gone. Over there. Oh, yeah. So this is the first one going in, so you don't want to have a slip moment. So you can use the chain. Here we are here, but so it's Liam. He's going to go check out that one, and I'm going to go check out this one. So we'll see how we go, and then we might swap over. Okay, let's do this. Don't drop the phone. Ooh, don't want to fall down there. Okay, so we're in. We're inside now, so here we go. Little cave. Oh, I never know how to do this. There we go. Cool. So let's find our way through. Because I can't remember which one's the longer one. But look, I'm standing up. If Liam was standing up in here, he'd hit his head. But luckily I am a bit shorter, so that's good. And I've even like carved out a sort of a headroom area. So that's cool. Okay, what do we got? Oh, this is pretty cool. You got some of the cave sort of dripping down. There we go. And, right, these pillars. A few pillars in here just holding up. So this is the shorter cave, because I'm already at the end. You've got a little room up here. And then you got one there. So this is the smaller one. The first one is the smaller one. The other one's actually bigger because you actually go around these sort of pillar things, like a bigger one. It looks like a tooth. So we'll go out of this cave now. Right, second ladder. I think it's a bit higher, this one. So, step on the path, then we go up into this chamber. Right. So, you're in the first room, high ceiling, this one. Then I've got to go up. And you got to crawl through this gap to get to the other side. So let's do that. This is where I probably shouldn't have had the bag on, but it is what it is. People who are a bit probably claustrophobic probably would not come in a cave, but they probably wouldn't come in this little entry bit too, so go at your leisure. Right, through. Okay, Let's go. Okay, so that's that little area we just come through. Still high sort of ceiling. And we're going to carry on. This is the big thing that looks like a tooth. So I'll show you that in a second. I'll actually take a photo of that too. Right. Looks like a giant tooth. That's what I've always called it. It's pretty cool. Not too much dripping in this one actually. Okay. Look at this. This is really cool. It's like real white. Okay. It's a big tooth looking thing. I don't know if it looks better, but there you go. It's a massive tooth. The light's probably stuffing that. And then the wall's like all spongy looking too, but it's all hard. It looks like a foam insulator. Okay, carry on. Bit more water in this one. And it's a bit longer because I'm still walking, whereas the other one would have been finished. So second cave, if you enjoy the caving side, go to the second ladder. You'll have a better cave to walk through. So I'm still going. Big ceiling. Coming up near the end now. Still pretty cool. This seems to be the wall where everyone writes their name and stuff on. Some of them date back quite a long way actually. And then you've just got a little area up there, which I'm not going to go up there. Doesn't go too far. So yeah, that's the caves. There's 2 caves done. But second one is a better one because you've got the tooth and then a bit more of a walk around. Ceiling's a bit higher. So yeah, I definitely recommend it if you do like a bit of exploring. Come have a look. It's not too far of a drive, and if you live close. And then yeah, little explore around. Give it a go. Why not? Okay, now let's go. I'll go back out. Alright. Well, that's a little bit of caving for you. Enjoy the rest, and I'll see you in the next one. It's us, we're on our way out now. Just gonna come down this hill to the car and then carry on, so I hope you enjoyed that. Go give it a go. Why not? Mangaone Caves. Look it up.